Hello, Paul here from EMD. I've got this Porsche 996 Carrera 4S C4S system here. So we are actually replacing the shock absorber. This is the factory shock absorber here. These ones here, and the front one's out. Has front left hand side there. This is the front right hand side. Everything has to be removed from the front here as well. If you can see, put the light on, and then remove the front bar so we can have a look at the actual replace the AC condenser and the actual radiator, because we don't look properly. We stripped it down and have a look. If you look closely here, in red marks there, so it's just starting to leak on the radiator. So I'm gonna ask the customer, I guess actually the customer know, we're going to replace the condenser, the radiator, and the hoses that behind there that goes to the actual radiator. And I'm gonna ask him if he wants a middle radiator as well. So on these vehicles there's a allowance here, bracket there for the middle radiator to go. I've done a few of those just make the car run cooler. So I'm gonna ask him if he wants that, because while we're here we might as well get that done. So new radiators, I'm gonna get two radiators, one for the left and one for the right hand side there. But there's an optional part for the radiator to go. There's another middle radiator as well I can get as a kit to fit into this vehicle as well. So one of the best things you can do is fit that radiator, that actual radiator. The efficiency of the actual cooling is much better, because the air will go in from the front and the side as well. Okay, so this system we're gonna fit to this vehicle here is called a electronic system. So the shock absorber is gonna be, there will be a controller in the middle there, in the middle here. There will be a controller inside there. So when you want soft, or you want sport, or you want comfort, sport, and race, I think there's 3 of them. So 3 settings, something like that. So you can actually choose the setting you want for your vehicle. So and this new system is available for the actual all Porsche models and the other European cars as well. So that's where we are at this moment for this car here.